Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice reading. Point to each letter and say the sound with me. T, t, ah. Great job. T, ah, t. Keep it up. S, ah, s, t, s, ah. Awesome! Let's try to read these words. Tap underneath each letter to give it a sound, then slide across to blend the sounds. Sam, Sam. At, at, mat, sat. Wow, you guys are doing great. Okay, let's finish with practicing trick words. The first word is and. The next word is. And the last word in the box is the. Point to each word and read along with me. And, is, the, is, and, is, the, and, is, and, is, the, is, the, is, and, the, is, and, is, the, is, and, the, and, is, and, the, is, the, and, the. Wow, you did a great job reading today. Give yourself a big pat on the back.